quick demonstration of our app, Board Wizard. The main motivation behind our app is to help people learn board games easier and learn strategies about them, all in one place. So to start off, we're on the home page here, and this is the place where the user would either scroll through and try and find a new game that they like, or search up the specific board game they're trying to learn. If they were trying to discover a new game, we have these filters at the top like hot, which show the most recent popular board games on our app. And in this list view, we see strategy, kids, family, these tags, which overall describe the theme of the board game, as well as the ratings here. So we can start off with chess. On this page, we have four main options: rules, strategies, the demo, and an AI referee. We can start off with rules. With our user interviews, we found the main concern and the main issue that users have with learning a new board game are the rules that are provided. Often the rule set are way too complicated and too dense for someone to understand on the first round, and they often need a second source of information. We wanted to tackle that by splitting the rules into more digestible chunks, and also by adding walkthrough, which are essentially mid-quizzes to try and help the user practice their learnings as they go along, as we can see here. So going home, we can talk about strategies. With user interviews again, we found users did want a way to learn about strategies. There isn't a good way online for users to figure it out besides watching YouTube video, watching Twitch streamers, or finding a niche subreddit. So we wanted to have a forum where people can post it and learn from there. We also post our own strategies, which are verified, as you can see here with Team Wizard. We also have a way for users to filter by strategies based on their skill level. So let's say if I'm a beginner, I can click on Queen's Gambit, and I can read information about it here and look at comments. Going back, we can talk about demo. One of the things we realized, which was a big surprise, is that users often don't feel confident in their ability to play a game until they actually walk through a round themselves. So we wanted to try and tackle this by actually providing a full example of a game from the start all the way to the end, so users can figure it out without actually playing. Lastly, we have AI referee. One thing we found with user interviews is that oftentimes two people will have a dispute over a rule, over something like or in this example with chess, a rule called like en passant, which is very complicated as it only applies in certain situations. With this, they can get an easy answer and solve their dispute. And that's all. Thank you very much.